Hello people, it's Elevator from Norway here, and today I got a package. It's not a elevator part package, it's something else. I just bought some Tyrrells potato chips because I want to try out some new things or flavors, and it's so I bought two, or actually three. I bought two unsalted ones, and I bought uh, sea salt with black pepper or something. Anyway, let's unbox it, shall we? Let me just put the box down here. I can open with one handle because we don't need a knife. This is how it looks like. Let me try this one out. I got this one inside here. And this I'm not sure. I put one there. And let's try this out. Let me just put the camera down. Let me see if I can put like this. The bag is popped up. So this is how it looks like. Here's the bag. I'm not sure if I can show like this because I'm not sure if YouTube will remove the video, but let's try for one more. Very good taste, no salt, nothing. I may do as our own video on that one later, but I think this is it, so I'm just gonna continue to eat this. Yeah, so see ya. Hey people, so I'm just trying this black pepper and sea salt. It tastes good actually, and yeah, so let's try one more. So I think I'm just gonna save this one or something, and I will continue with my day here, and I will see if I can also work with Elevator Adventure Part 4, which has actually more photos and not including that 6-7 hour video. So yeah, see you.